Okay guys, I want to show you the interior of the 70 Cuda that I have here. Before I do, I want to show you what we're looking at on the car here. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for the camera to keep up. Rocker panels are solid. Just a solid car. So what we have is a 70 Cuda. Not a Barracuda, it actually was a Cuda, and original motor, original transmission. It's showing 60,000 miles, 60. Not sure if there's a way to verify that, but that's what it is. I will probably sign it as being true miles unknown just to protect myself, but that's what it is. So you got the center console option, you got the wood grain wheel. You do not have the full rally gauges. We have the standard Cuda gauges. See if I can get there for you so you can see what we're dealing with. I'm running my trouble light along, so there's your AM FM factory radio. Manual vents, your reverse light. Cuda emblems. The ceiling, I don't know what the guy did there, but don't worry about it because there's a brand new ceiling piece in the in a cardboard box. So this is the way I got the car, and I mean literally I haven't even dusted it. It's been sitting in my shop, in my storage area here for 2 years. What do we got there? Tachometer, pistol grip 4-speed, console, passenger side seat, that's okay. Door panels are very good. I would call them very good. Nobody has to do anything with them. Driver's seat, on the other hand, needs some repairs. Not a big deal. Back seat is pretty solid. There's a little button you got to push there, so pardon my. Back seat's solid. It's dusty, but that's it. Look at there. All of the lighting works in the car. I'm going to turn my thing away so hopefully you can see that. Passenger side lighting, driver's side lighting, overhead dome light. Everything still works on it. There's something going on under the final top here. Don't know if it's just a poor job, if it's glue, don't know what it is, but there it is. I'll be back in just a second and show you the truck.